Hi guys. In this video I will show you on how to extract and replace PDF pages with LightPDF editor. To start, simply visit the official page of LightPDF and download the software by clicking the Download PDF Editor button, then install it. After that, launch the tool and open the PDF file by clicking the Click to Open PDF button. To extract PDF pages, click the Page tab, then Extract button at the top. A new window will pop up. Enter the page range and hit the Extract button. The selected page can be saved as a new PDF. If you want to save the selected pages as a single page PDF file, put a check mark on the Extract Pages as Separate Files option, while put a check mark on Delete Pages after extracting option. Next is how to replace PDF pages. Open the PDF file, then click the Page tab. Choose the PDF file, then a new window will pop up. Enter the page range that you want to replace and choose page number you want to replace with. And those are the easy and simple steps on how to extract and replace PDF pages. Thank you for watching.